Ashton, so we have a teeny tiny little problem. We're out of milk. Like, completely out. I checked the fridge twice! There's nothing! And before you ask, yes, I drank the last of it. But that's not the point. The point is, I need more. Please, Ashton? Can you go get me some more milk? I'll be good, I promise. I'll be good, I promise.
I'll think about it.
I'm literally a cat. You can't expect me to live like this. Just one
I'll
jug.
think about it.
Just one jug. Actually, get two. Maybe three. Maybe three. Just one
Yeah,
jug.
sure. Why not, Chloe?
Actually, get two.
Why not at all?
Maybe three.
I'll be back.
Ashton, I need my